The weekly tests, analysis, the revisions helped me a lot to guide myself towards the perfect strategy. Thank you, Vedantu.
Super, super, super. So let's see, students, what are the features of Vedantu Learning Centers?
Yeah, so whatever is there in Pro is already there. But now it is more physical, like the video said. So obviously you get the best of the best teachers who are hired personally from the best of the best mentors with lot of rounds, so that every center the quality is assured. And those teachers are themselves who have produced ranks, again and again. So we give that kind of support to our students, that level of, yeah. Then you also get a dedicated academic mentor, ma'am, just like in Pro. So there is a person always there in the Vedantu Learning Center, a personal guide, a personal mentor who is helping the students with not just academic but mainly also non-academic, like, sir, my school is doing this. Mainly
Strategies and demotivation that students go through. Moreover, we have your personal AI mentor as well. And in this AI mentor, all those doubts that we told you, that doubts you can ask anytime, 24/7, you can ask your doubts in between as well. And whenever you are at your home also doing the practice, you can ask your doubts from the Ved, and you also have your academic
and
mentor.
even the 24/7 doubt solving feature is there. That means, let's say you are not in the center, okay, because in the center though you will have teachers and doubt mentors, but at home also you can get connected with our app to our 24/7 doubt solving teachers who will guide you either through voice or through video. So
Also, some students are like they study in the morning at 5 a.m. Some students study till 4 a.m. So we have support for all kind of students here.
Are you guys morning learners or night owls? Let us know quickly
In the comment section.
And you know what is this? Smart clickers. In fact, I will need some volunteers. So be ready. In the audience, I want some students to be ready with some smart clickers. I will be demonstrating it in a bit. So ma'am, have you watched some game shows like Kaun Banega Crorepati? And
Yeah, I love it.
yeah,
We love it. Yeah.
that one lifeline option is there. Yeah, that thing.
50-50 option is there.
50-50 option is there. Then that audience poll is there. So same, just like that. You remember we went to VLC and we saw it.
Yeah. So let's show them with the demo.
Yeah, we'll show them with the demo. I think the students are coming. So imagine now the teacher, when I feel when we were also teaching in offline, when you used to ask questions, some students will answer, some students will not answer, some students will be hiding, sleeping. I don't know what is happening.
Students will shy away, that they don't want to answer. Right? Some students knows the answer, but they don't know how to raise their hand
Correct.
and tell. So that is a
So
problem.
now that problem gets solved because everybody gets a clicker, and I feel we have gamified it. Because when a thing is like a game, right? Everybody wants to participate in a game.
Right.
Plus, this is the first time any coaching institute has done it across the country or even the world, because nobody, probably now others have started to copy from us. We did it first, okay? And you get the best of the best analytics, not just for the students, but also the teachers and the parents. So the teacher also knows what kind of students I have. And
So you are saying that students will have some remote kind of thing in their hand, and they will answer from there. And every student will have their own clicker.
Show, ma'am, I'll show. Hey,
Let's
come guys. Let's get some students on the stage, because there is going to be a quiz and a big round of applause and for all the students who try to volunteer and face the camera, and we are going to see who are going to get this quiz right.
Yeah.
So are you kids ready?
All of you show your clickers.
Yeah. Wow. A, B, C, D, all options are there. Yeah.
I'm super excited for this one. Let's see the quiz here.
Yeah.
So firstly, these are the questions you can see. Set of natural number is a subset of A is set of even numbers, B is set of odd numbers, C is set of composite numbers, and D is set of real numbers.
So
now
let's
I'm going
start.
to give you the timer.
Okay. Let's start. Let's do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Start clicking, guys. Oh, Dean, Akansh, Hanu, oh my God, already giving it. Pulkit, Shansi,
Yeah.
Sarika, very good. Okay.
See that over here, the timers.
Hey, this guy though, how, so late?
Oh, here it is. So our top rankers are Dean, Chaukanya, Sarika,
Paul and Sridhar, very nice. Why? How come Dean is there always at the top? I am really doubtful. Who is
Hidden
it?
gems.
Where is hidden gems? Okay. So great, guys. Oh, 50% got it right. And 50% did not get right. Who are those people who did not get right? And we can also get to know
See that.
which option they were wrong in and why that option is wrong. Also, maybe they are having some misconceptions in that particular.
So actually, it also helps a teacher as well to
Yeah.
see in the next part what they are going to. The class should be on this way or this way. Whether, for example, only 10% students are able to answer this correctly, then I know that I have to repeat this concept to the students. Right?
Correct.
Then if I say that 90% of them are able to answer it correctly, then I know that most of the students got it correct, and I can see the students who answered it incorrectly. I can,
So
personalize.
transparent actually. I mean, so good. I mean, every class is so engaging and so gamified now. In fact, we can also look at the leaderboard. And this, updates itself after multiple questions. The leaderboard keeps changing, and I've seen the kids fighting in the classroom. Hey, next question, I am going to come in the leaderboard. I got 3 stars, I got 4 stars, 5 stars, like that. And the scores are also so gamified. I really love it, guys. It's amazing.
Reward for.
Did you guys love it? Yeah, amazing, right? Wow, so cool, so cool. Thank you so much, guys, for volunteering.
So that was really awesome, sir.
Yeah.
In offline, having such experiences, like I have seen this for the first time, and this is really something that Vedantu is doing super, super good for the students.
We're not leaving anything, like be it
Yeah, they
AI, be it mentor, be it teachers, be it the notes, be it doubts, be it anything. Like
not even a single chance we are missing.
correct.
Right? So you know what? Here's the catch. Even after analyzing, we are not leaving the students here.
Yeah.
After this, we are giving them the personalized assignments that you can
Correct.
see.
The students who went, no, they don't know something is waiting for them after going back home also. There is a homework waiting for them. And that is again personalized assignment even at the Vedantu Learning Center.
How much personal we are going.
I know, right? Seriously. I wish somebody like this was there with us throughout our life, not just for JEE and NEET. So cool, guys. You guys are very lucky. So these kids, who just gave the quiz right now, some of them are fast, some of them are not correct in some questions, right? So based on that, they will suggest again, okay, boss, you do this. Okay, you do it these questions. Now you do much higher level questions
Now,
like that.
This is your different, like there are 10 students in the class, then every student will get a different assignment. There is no cheating, there is no scope
Yeah,
as
correct.
well there. And also they will get, based on their weaknesses and strength, they will get the homework. And
Ved is not going to just leave them. Okay, I gave the assignment now. Okay, no,
yourself.
no. You have to give it back. You have to write it and give it back, just like in Vedantu Pro, guys. Same way, you have to submit the assignment in a handwritten format, and you upload the picture, and see how Ved beautifully corrected it.
Sir, it's like even if you're the most distracted student, even
Yeah.
then you'll be able to study because the kind of setup that we have made, right? This is for all those parents as well out there. Your child is very safe with Vedantu because we are taking care of every single thing that they can go wrong.
Correct. I love this. I mean, literally, this is gone way too far beyond anybody's expectation, and kudos to the tech team and the team working tirelessly behind this, right? So now comes the big question, sir. Where do I enroll, sir? Please tell me. Where do I go?
Excited to enroll,
Yeah.
sir.
So I hope you have already found the nearest Vedantu Learning Center near you. Just use Google Maps or something and you will get it, okay? Or just visit the website or use the link below in the description box. So this is the 2-year JEE NEET KCT batch. Okay, KCT is for all the Karnataka students, NEET for all the doctors, future doctors, and JEE of course for our future engineers and architects. So the 2-year batch for the 10th moving 11 students, all the features included, and there are massive discounts going on with limited seats, because remember, unlike online, in offline we cannot buy a new building. Okay, the classroom sizes are limited. So the batches are starting 4th of May. So after your board exams, take a small break and join from 4th of May onwards, because after that the next break will be directly after your JEE advanced examination, isn't it?
That's absolutely right, sir. Let's see the next batches here.
Yeah.
1 year integrated program, right?
Yeah, for the 11th moving 12th students. So this is basically those students who missed out or probably are not happy with the coaching in their 11th standard, that is for them. So JEE, NEET, KCT, everything is there. Yeah, check out the nearest Vedantu Learning Center for the offers and of course the discounts which are right now going on. And the thing is, these offers will end as soon as the Vidya Utsav festival is going to end, and you will miss out on the prize benefit. Okay, so already you are late, maybe by a year. Now don't delay it further, is what I would say. The batches are starting very soon, from 2nd of March this year. And then you also have the repeaters batch for the droppers, whether for JEE, for NEET. If you have already decided it's not going well, I would say you are the smartest people on the planet, because you got to know, you have introspected yourself and you know that, okay, this time is not mine. Next time will be the final time and the best time that I'm going to.
Already getting prepared for that, already enrolling into the batch.
Correct. The batches are starting 23rd of March. This is the early repeaters batch. You can think of it that way. And yes, students will probably make the decisions later also, but you will have the time advantage, the first movers advantage. Okay, so this is a repeaters batch. Entire 11th and 12th syllabus will be taught to you.